Yeah, welcome back everybody to the Dreamers for Jesus. Got a little eagle there hunting on the breeze, trying to catch a rabbit. He's diving. Caught a rabbit, I'm not sure. Zoom out if he's being Captain Obvious here. If he comes up he missed a rabbit, but if it stays down the eagle might have just caught a rabbit now. Okay, the eagle hasn't come up, so I'm going to take a sneaky little walk over here and try and... oh no, here he is, sorry, false alarm. So he missed the rabbit. Oh no, he got something, it looks like a lizard. He got, look at that, he caught something. It's a, I think it's a Cunninghams Skink. Wow, that was really awesome, he caught a lizard.